Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Coroutines are a powerful feature in Lua, and thus in Roblox scripting, that allow you to run functions asynchronously. This means you can pause a function's execution and yield control back to the calling code, allowing other code to run in the meantime. This is particularly useful in Roblox for managing tasks that need to wait without blocking the entire game, such as animations, waiting for events, or creating complex sequences of actions. What are coroutines? In Lua, coroutines are a type of thread that can be paused and resumed. They are not preemptively scheduled, meaning you control when to yield and resume execution. Coroutines can be thought of as lightweight threads. Creating and using coroutines. To create a coroutine in Roblox, you will typically use the following functions. Coroutine.create, this function creates a new coroutine but does not start it. Coroutine.resume, this function starts or continues the execution of a coroutine. Coroutine.yield, this function pauses the execution of the coroutine and yields back control to the calling function. Example, a simple coroutine. Here's a simple example where we create a coroutine that counts from 1 to 5 with a delay between each number. Explanation of the example. One coroutine function, count coroutine, is a coroutine function that counts from 1 to 5. It uses wait, 1, to simulate a delay, and coroutine.yield, to pause execution. 2. Creating the coroutine is created by calling coroutine.create, count coroutine. 3. Running the coroutine, in the while loop, we check the status of the coroutine. If it's not dead, we resume it. If an error occurs during its execution, we print it. Advanced usage, chaining coroutines. You can also chain coroutines together to create more complex behaviors. Here is an example where one coroutine waits for another to finish before resuming. Explanation of the advanced example. 1. First coroutine simulates some work and yields control after finishing. 2. Second coroutine starts the first coroutine and waits for it to finish before continuing its own execution. 3. Chaining, the second coroutine uses coroutine.resume, first co, to start the first coroutine and checks its status in a loop until it is finished. Conclusion. Coroutines in Roblox provide a flexible way to handle asynchronous tasks without blocking the main thread. You can create complex sequences of actions, manage animations, and handle timed events efficiently. Understanding how to work with coroutines will greatly enhance your scripting capabilities in Roblox. Experiment with coroutines in your own projects, and try to integrate them into systems that require delayed actions or non-blocking behavior. Happy scripting!